Gravity. Gravity is a harness. My entire career has been devoted to this idea, to this moment. Decades. If the unifying theories are correct, we will soon be able to harness the power of a black hole. Nothing will ever be the same. Why? This is wrong! The field is fading! Ah! Oh, what happened? Where am I? Why am I being imprisoned?
Release me!
What is that melody? Hold it together!
Intensity! Mass! Momentum! It's
too much to hold on to. I will bring you a new understanding of the universe.
Violence!
The universe is singing to me! Freedom. Imprisonment. It's all an illusion. Gravity is a harness.
I have harnessed the harness.